Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about NaN, which stands for not a number, and infinity in JavaScript. Okay, all right. So NaN or not a number is a JavaScript reserved word indicating that a number is not a legal number. Okay, then we have the infinity. So infinity or negative infinity is the value JavaScript will return if you calculate a number outside the largest possible number. Okay, so let's see both of them in action. Let's first see what exactly is not a number. So console log 0 divided by 0. It's safe. As you can see, we are getting not a number. Okay, all right. So once again, the not a number has the type of number. So I can prove it to you as well. So console log, so type of NaN, okay, not a number. As you can see, it is a number. Okay, so we can do something like this. Okay, so if we do something like this, so 0 divided by 0, then we are getting not a number. Also, what we can do something like this: 2 plus NaN, 2 plus not a number. As you can see, we are still getting not a number. So this is basically not a number or NaN value in JavaScript. All right. Now let's see how we can get to infinity. So console log, let's do something like this. Let's do 5 divided by 0. As you can see, we are getting infinity. Okay. Also, we have the negative infinity as well. So console log, negative 5 divided by 0. We are getting now negative infinity. Okay, so infinity is the value in JavaScript that will return if you calculate a number outside the largest possible number. Okay, all right, that makes sense, right? So we have the infinity and negative infinity. Then one thing to point out here, we have the 0 and the negative 0 as well. So let's see that in action. So console log, let's do 5 times 0. We are getting 0. All right, and now do console log, let's do negative 5 times 0. We will get negative 0. And that is something to keep in mind, that in JavaScript we have 0 as well as the negative 0 as well. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So in this video we have discussed about the not a number and infinity. Okay, all right, I don't want to do that. We have discussed about the not a number and infinity, right? And here we have discussed about the 0 and the negative 0 as well. So infinity can be positive or negative. Okay, 0 can be positive or negative here as well. And once again, what exactly is the type of not a number? It is a number. Okay, all right, I hope that makes sense. Okay, so before moving forward, one thing I want to point out here is that how you can access the course code basically. So how you can access that? It is quite simple. Okay, so let me just grab it from here. So this is the GitHub repository for our course here. As you can see, I am making commits after each video. Okay, so here, as you can see, we are having the commits here and we are having 4 commits. If I just click on this one, as you can see, the last commit is for the numbers. Okay, so if I just click on this one, as you can see, we are having all of the code here. I hope that makes sense. So in that way, you can access the course code here. Also, the diagrams, right? So I am using draw.io. Okay, so if I just go here inside of my code editor here, I am having this diagrams folder here. Okay, and here I will be uploading all of the diagrams as well. Okay, so you can just go to draw.io and you can just upload the diagrams there to access it. Okay, as you can see, we are having this diagram here. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Awesome. So in this video, we have learned about the not a number and infinity. And in the next video as well, we will be continuing our journey to learn about the primitive data types. Okay, so before moving forward, what I can do here, okay, so let me just show how I can commit our code. Okay, so it is not a Git course, but here I will be opening my terminal, okay, inside of VS Code. So what you can do, basically, you can go to this once terminal and new terminal. Okay, I am using git bash. So git add all git commit -s-m, and let's do something like NaN and infinity. Okay, and git push. All right, so as you can see, I have pushed that here, and here if you just see on this one. Okay, so if I just refresh here, as you can see, NaN and infinity here. Okay, and here is all of the code. I hope that makes sense. Okay, all right. And in case if you can navigate the things inside of the terminal as well, so in that way you will be getting all of the code there. Awesome. So in this video we have learned about the NaN and infinity in JavaScript.